Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions of the new Natasha Denona Love Collection. I waited a week. I did not purchase the collection from her website because I heard so many negative reviews. So that's why I wasn't able to review the collection right away. So I got everything. I got the lipstick, the highlighter, and the mini eyeshadow palette. So before I'm going to do my first impressions, makeup tutorials, if you like to watch makeup reviews, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover like myself, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now, let's go get started. This is the beautiful packaging. This is so pretty. I love the bright pink packaging. So this one is good for 2 years and it's made in Italy. So this one you can purchase the products individually. So this one retails for $25. So while I'm talking about the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use this mini palette. I actually really like the mini Zendo one, so I decided to get this. So this is like the mini version of the Love palette, which I think retails for $65. I'm not sure if the shades are like existing shades, so let me know guys if you're familiar with Natasha Denona. And the colors are really pretty, sis. And here I think this one, you are my true love. So really cute. So I'm gonna use the palette, and like I mentioned, this one retails for $25. It has 2 matte shades and 3 shimmery shades. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty, perfect for this, no, I was gonna say winter. Valentine's Day is February 1st. So by the time I upload this one, will be like February 2nd. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so let me get a mirror because I can't really see. So I am just gonna talk a little bit about YouTube right now because I noticed that they are like taking out views, at least on my channel, and then it's just been really weird, especially that I don't get that many views. It's just very disappointing the ways um YouTube is doing right now. Is very disappointing, and it's really hard to stay motivated with all the views. Oh my god, it's going, all my views are going down. They're just like taking out views or something like that. So disappointed, very disappointed. Okay, so this one, it's really nice like mauve pink shade. And I like that the colors are not too like bright pink. I'm not into pink shadows, but the shades in here are so pretty. So next I'm gonna be taking this shade, this one, this eggplant, like a eggplant purple shade, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it is. And I hope this is not patchy because purples are really hard to use. Oh yeah, this one, as you can see guys, oh my god, patchy. This is patchy. What, I'm gonna do something. Okay, so let me try to save this eye look right now. So I'm just gonna take this like pinky orange shade, almost like a salmon shimmer shade. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take this shimmery shade. I think this is the only one. This one right here. And I'm gonna try to cover this patchy like eggplant shade. I just do not like this color right now. And then I'm gonna use this plummy matte shade, this patchy one, to wing out my eyes. Using this brush from Benai Cosmetics. I went ahead and applied eyeshadows on my lower lashes. This one, this plummy eggplant shade, and this one, a little bit of this one, just smoke up my lower lashes, and then I put on false lashes. So now moving on with the duo. This is the Love Cheek Duo, the cream blush and highlighter. I watched some reviews on YouTube, and this shade, this particular shade, the cream what is this one, blush, is very similar to the Love and Glow face palette from Natasha Denona, similar shade. I do not have that with me, guys, so I cannot really compare. I think that one has been on sale on Sephora for I think 2 or 3 years now. It's like no regular price, I think was $88 or $89. Now it's on sale for I think $44. So I'm not really sure, but you guys, if you're interested, I'm going to link everything down in my comments below. So now this is the blush. So oh, it's very creamy. I tried the Bloom and Glow palette. I loved the highlighter and the blush from the palette. The only thing that I did not like I think was the cream highlighter. Wasn't a big fan of that one, but this is a really pretty coral pink shade, almost like a salmon pink shade. Oh, that's pretty, and it's very creamy. And this is the pink highlighter. I don't really go for pink highlighters, but this is like my first one. I think I don't have them. I don't collect highlighters, to be honest, so this one is like my first one, pink highlighter. And oh my god, that is so pretty. Very similar feeling to the I need a nude glow highlighter from Natasha Denona, which I actually have it. I don't have it with me next to me, but I have in my makeup drawer. um it's very pretty, and it's very actually it's kind of glittery a little bit. Okay, so let me apply, let me and this is so pretty, and I like to apply all the way up here just to emphasize my cheekbones a little bit. And this is a stiff brush from I think Luxie brush, a Luxie brand. And this is actually not, I like this one. It's not really a bright pink. It's a mid-tone pink with a little bit of orange undertone to it. Not too bright, which, oh my god, you know, I love cream blushes and liquid blushes because I have really dry skin. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so next I'll be using this pink highlighter, and I love the embossed design. Oh my god, this is so cute. And this is the Becca Cosmetics brush. Actually works good with this highlighter. Ooh, it's actually very nice. What I said. Okay guys, so this is, I don't know if you can see the camera. It's very shimmery, very shimmery, but it's actually really like a nice shimmer. It's not very chunky. Oh my god, oh my god, love Natasha Denona highlighter so much. So I don't really mind spending that much because I'm very picky with highlighters. So most of the time they look powdery and cakey on me, but this is so beautiful. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Oh my god. And the last one is the lipstick from Natasha. I think I only have 2 lip products from Natasha Denona. I have the lip gloss from her when I bought the bronze eyeshadow palette. This one is my go-to nude pigmented lip gloss. And this is the I Need a Nude Amorosa. I'm not sure this is new. I think maybe this is an existing shade, just you change the packaging, but the packaging, it is so pretty, feels heavy, feels expensive. I think you can buy this one for like $28. I know, expensive. And this is the lipstick. Oh my god, this is a nude. it's like a new brown shade, and you can see the emboss name and D. And I'm gonna swatch this for you guys. Ooh, it's actually a peachy brown, at least on my skin. So let's still try this out. Alright guys, so I am still applying the lipstick right now. It is so pretty. So this really not a nude pink lip color, it's a nude brown peachy color. Excuse my dry lips right now. I'm gonna apply gloss because my lips are so dry. Here is the lip color, very easy to apply. Love the color, love the feeling of this one, love the smell of this chocolate. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Ready for my thoughts about the Natasha Denona Love Collection. So the only eyeshadow that was very patchy, that was hard to blend, I did not like at all, was this one. This eggplant purple shade was very patchy. You saw in the clip or in the video before this one, it was very patchy. It was very hard to blend, so I had to do something. You know, this is not like very like dramatic, like special, like, you know, it's very good for like everyday soft glam. I have been into soft glam looks, so I really like how my makeup turned out today. And you know, I used all the colors I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this one all the way up here, like you see the white like shimmer shade. And then yeah, I mean, this was the only color that I did not like. Overall, I actually really like the palette. And then the next one is the love cheek, though this one you can buy for $45. So I love cream blushes, I love liquid blushes because I have really dry skin. And this one, oh my god, and I don't think that I showed you guys the packaging. It's really nice. I actually really like it. And I like, it looks like a like kids packaging, like kids makeup packaging, but I actually really like it. So the cream blush, I love that it doesn't look bright. It's a mid-tone pink with a little bit of peachy under, like orchid peachy undertone. It looks really nice on my cheeks right now. I really like this blush, very hydrating, doesn't look patchy, apply very smoothly. Oh my god, the highlighter, I like this highlighter. I like Natasha Denona highlighters. Oh my god, I love her highlighters. I actually tried one from her Another Face and Glow palette. Oh my god, I love the highlighter. This one, oh my god, it's, I feel like, no, it's not as drying as the I Need a Nude Glow highlighter. Actually, I have with me, it's like a light, very light, like gold shade, but this one's a pink one. I do not buy pink highlighters, but this is so pretty, guys. Applied beautifully. It was very glittery, so you have to be, you know, like, you know, just a little info right there, very glittery. But I did not notice any like much fallout when I apply this one, so I'm very happy with the cream and the highlighter. The lipstick, I also like the lipstick. I know I really like the lipstick, guys. Where is the, okay, so I found the lipstick. So this one, love the packaging. Oh my god, this is a really pretty color. I'm not into pink, like new pink lipsticks just in general, but this is my favorite, like nude, not too nude. You can see, guys, it doesn't, you know, make my wash me out. It looks really nice, for my, you know, my skin tone. And I really like the color. It's a nude brown peachy shade. And also added a lip gloss from Natasha Denona. Very impressed with this new collection. Oh my goodness, especially the face palette. This one, ooh, another favorite of mine, I think. Okay, those are all my thoughts about the new Natasha Denona Love Collection. So this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.